Hello everyone, Albert here. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to scale images and download drawings in AutoCAD. So that you can set them to the scale you prefer, the first thing you need to do is draw your objects at a 1:1 scale in Model Space. This is Model Space, and anything you want to scale here must be at a 1:1 scale. That means if a sidewalk measures 120 centimeters in real life, it should also measure 120 centimeters here in the AutoCAD model. That said, we're going to go to the Layout space by clicking on one of these tabs at the bottom. Then click on this tab at the top, and finally, select the rectangular viewport option. We click on one corner and then on the opposite corner, creating a viewport. Next, we select this viewport we've created and go down here, where, if we hover the cursor for a moment, it says Scale of the selected viewport. We click, and a list of scales appears. Next, we click on Custom and then Add. We're going to add a scale. Let's set, for example, a 1:75 scale. I type the name, and this part is always the same. For paper units, always 1000, and for drawing units, the scale we want, in this case, 75. Then click OK. There it is. So we click OK to finally close this window. Now we select the viewport we created again. Click on the Scale menu at the bottom, and choose the 1:75 scale. As you can see, our drawing has been scaled to 1:75. We open the viewport a bit to have a broader view. And now, we double-click inside the viewport. Next, we press the mouse wheel to center our drawing. As we can see, the drawing is not quite right. The image goes beyond the edges of the paper format, so we need to select a smaller scale. Let's try with the 1:100 scale. We select it, and now we can see that the drawing fits perfectly within our format. Now, all that's left is to adjust the viewport, and finally, we have our scaled drawing. Pretty simple, right?